is taken from module 4. We will solve another problem on the Rayleigh's method. So in the previous class we have solved one problem. So in the today's class we'll solve another problem. We read the problem first. The efficiency of a fan, it depends on the density rho, dynamic viscosity mu of the fluid, angular velocity omega, diameter d of the rotor, and discharge q. So express this efficiency in terms of dimensionless parameters. So let us write this equation, expression for efficiency in terms of dimensionless parameters by using the Rayleigh's method. So our first step, that is efficiency, it is a function of density, dynamic viscosity, angular velocity, diameter d of the rotor, and discharge. So if we will remove that function term, we will write this expression, that is efficiency in terms of this k, where k is constant. I will write here density to the power a. I'm going to write for each and every term in terms of power. Rho to the power a, that is density to the power a, dynamic viscosity to the power b, angular velocity to the power c, diameter to the power d, discharge to the power e. So now next step, let us substitute the dimensions on both sides of the equation. Substitute dimensions means we are going to write the dimensions for each and every term on both sides of the equations. See, first for efficiency, it is not any physical quantity, so it is not having any fundamental dimension. For that purpose, I will write here m to the power 0. That means there is no any fundamental dimension. There is no any fundamental dimension for L. There is no any fundamental dimension for T also. It means it is not having any fundamental dimension. So I will write here m to the power 0, L to the power 0, T to the power 0 is equals to K. I have written as it is K here. So density is fundamental dimension. We know here ml to the power minus 3 to the power a, as it is I have written here. Viscosity is fundamental dimension is m, L to the power minus 1, T to the power minus 1 b, as it is. Angular velocity T to the power minus 1 c. Then diameter d in terms of length L, that is L to the power d. Discharge metric cube per second unit, that is L cube divided by T, that is L cube T to the power minus 1 into E. So already now let us equate the powers of m, L and T on both sides of the equation. So this is my first step. This is my second step, writing the dimensions on both sides of the equation for each and every term. Now after this writing the dimensions, let us equate the powers of these m, L and T on both sides of the equation. Let me write for power of m. So power of m is 0 on the LH side, that is left hand side of the equation. So power of m in this equation is a, and power of m in this equation is b. So we have added the powers a plus b. Here no any m term is there. Here also no any m term is there. Here also no any m term is there. Next, power of L. So power of L is 0 on the left hand side of the equation. So here on the RH side of the equation, power of L is minus 3a. I have written here minus 3a. Power of L here in this equation is, there is minus b. I have written here minus b. So here no any L term is there. So here L term is there to the power d, that is plus d. So here also for L term it is e, that is 3e plus 3e. We have added all the powers here. Powers of L we have written for both sides of the equations. Next we will write the power of T. So on the left hand side of the equation, power of T is 0 here. So here no any T term is there. Here T term is there, that is minus b. Minus b I have written here. T term is there, minus c. We have written here minus c. We have to add all the powers here. Minus b minus c. So here no any T term is there. In this equation T term is there. It is minus E. So here also there are total 5 unknowns, that is A, B, C, D and E. We are having 5 unknowns, but equations are only 3 here. but equations are only 3 here. Therefore, let us express any three unknowns in terms of other two unknowns, because here 5 unknowns are there but equations are only 3. For that purpose, what we will do, we will express any 3 unknowns in terms of 2 other unknowns which are most important. So in this problem here, for efficiency of the fan, viscosity and discharge are most important in this problem. For viscosity and discharge, that means let us now hence express A, C and D in terms of B and E, because the power for viscosity is B and the power for discharge is E, because we are going to convert A, B and C, A, C and D in terms of B and E. That is, viscosity and discharge are most important here. That is viscosity, this is discharge, and this is viscosity. Here we are going to express this A, C and D in terms of B and E, because these two are most important. So let us express A in terms of B, C in terms of E or B, and D also in terms of B and E. So as per this equation, I can express this A in terms of B only, where therefore A is equals to minus B here. I have written here. Next, coming to this equation. So let me express this C in terms of B and E both. Therefore C is equals to, from this equation, C is equals to minus B minus E. That is, I have taken C to this side. For C is equals to minus B minus E, or I can write this C is equals to minus, I have taken outside, B plus E. Now let us express this D in terms of B and E. So 3A D is equals to, first let me write the equation for D. D is equals to, I have shifted all this equation to this side. That is, D is equals to 3A plus B minus 3E. So for 3 is equals to A, let me substitute the value of A, because I cannot keep this A value as it is. A I will express in terms of B only here. A is equals to minus B, already we have calculated, plus B minus 3E as it is. Therefore D is equals to minus 3B plus 2B, it will be minus 2B minus 3E. That means we have expressed here A, C and D in terms of B and E. You can see here A we have expressed in terms of B, C we have expressed in terms of B and E, where D also we have expressed in terms of B and E. So now let us substitute these values A, C and D viscosity to the power B, angular velocity to the power C, D to the power D, discharge to the power E. So now let us substitute. Efficiency is equal to K, rho to the power minus B, that is rho to the power A, value of A is minus B only, viscosity to the power B, because we are going to express A, C and D in terms of B and E only. Viscosity B we have kept as it is. Angular velocity, that is C is nothing but minus B plus E. This value I have substituted here, C value minus B plus E. D we have expressed in terms of B and E, that is D to the power minus 2B minus 3E. D to the power D value I have substituted here. Q to the power E as it is. Efficiency is equal to K, rho to the power minus B I have written as it is. Viscosity to the power B we have written as it is. These terms I have written it separately. Omega to the power minus B into omega to the power minus C. If I will simplify it, we are going to add both the powers here. I have splitted these equations. Again here also we have splitted D to the power minus 2B into D to the power minus 3E Q to the power E. We have written as it is here. So here no any numbers are there in the powers. So let me write here B term one side and E power one side. Power of B one side I will write power of ease, we will write one side. So efficiency is equals to K viscosity to the power B. I will write here. So rho, this is minus B. Here also it is minus B. Here also it is minus 2B. So let me write here rho will write in the denominator. Angular velocity I will write here d square. It is d to the power minus 2. I will write here d square. And if I will simplify it, my equation will be in this form only. Now next, discharge Q divided by omega, here Q to the power E. Q I have written in the numerator. Omega I have written here in the denominator. It is d to the power minus 3. dq I have written here, E as it is. This equation only I have written in this form. I have separated both the powers, P power and E power. We have written the equation in this form. So if I remove this K term, therefore efficiency is equals to function of, this is potential function specific, that is symbol of this potential function. In this term, we are not going to add powers here. Viscosity divided by rho v d square into q divided by omega dq. We are not writing the powers and we are writing in this function form.